Hello everyone, Kate here from Faith, Hope and Laundry. Well, we got through the end of another week done and dusted, and today's video is a weekend reset. It will be a Sunday reset by the time you probably see this, but welcome. So glad that you are joining with me today. I'm actually starting my domino chore, what I call my domino chore. I don't know what your domino chore is, but basically it's just that thing that you do to kind of kickstart your routine, your cleaning routine, or cleaning motivation. And for me, it is getting on a load of laundry. I actually have here some new sheets, some really warm wintry sheets that I went and bought, so I needed to get those into the washing machine and get those washed and dried and put them onto the bed, because it's getting a little bit more chilly here in New Zealand. Still autumn, but definitely noticing that the nights are getting a lot more cooler, so needing to have a bit more of some warmth in our bedding now. So I've put on that load of washing, which is great, and it's just always nice to know that, those machines, whether it's your dishwasher or your washing machine or your dryer, just working for you while you're getting on with other chores. And then I've just headed into my kitchen. It's not too bad in here at the moment. Unfortunately, my dishwasher is broken and I'm trying to source a new one of those. So we have been hand washing dishes for the last week or 10 days. I actually quite enjoy it. I don't know about you, but I find that when you're having to hand wash dishes, obviously it's, more time consuming, but it just gathers the whole family together, because you say to the kids, nobody leaves the kitchen until all of the dishes are done. And it just gives another opportunity for everybody to connect and chat and, just have some fun. And I kind of feel like it's almost a little opportunity for some bonding at the end of the day. You'll be amazed at what conversations happen over washing and drying dishes. So I'm just getting the last of those dishes washed and getting recycling away. Just all of those things that kind of accumulate by the end of the week. I tend to sort of just stack all of my recycling into recyclable brown paper bags, and then that just makes it easier for me to grab those and just take them all out kind of in one hit. So just getting all of those things away and just trying to get the bench a bit more cleared, wipe down the benches, clean the sink, just all of those things in your kitchen that make it just feel a lot more clean and tidy and organised and refreshed for the end of the week. kitchen table here is the classic drop zone, clutter zone type surface that everybody walks in the front door that you can see here, and it is the first surface that things just kind of get dumped on, either the kitchen table here or my kitchen bench. And my home is not big. As soon as you walk in my front door, you see all of my living area, my dining area, my kitchen, upstairs into my hallway area where 2 of the bedrooms are, in my bathroom. My home is a split level home, so it's on a garage sort of basement level, and there's a bedroom down there, and then this level here, which has got all of my living area, and then up a small flight of stairs for 2 more bedrooms and bathroom and toilet. So it really does need to be kept as clutter-free as possible, but we are also a real life family, and things do get dumped down, so it's just great at the end of the week to have a really good clear off of these surfaces that do get very cluttered. I also was really chuffed today because I had the motivation and the time to actually take a whole lot of boxes up to the second hand store. One of them you can see on my kitchen bench here. And these have been accumulating as I've kind of been doing some decluttering over the last few weeks. One of them was my linen cupboard that I actually did last week. And it just felt really good to get that stuff out of the house and up to the second-hand store, where hopefully it will bless another family and they can get the use out of it rather than it just sitting here and we're not using it, but it's just another item that has to be managed. So yeah, that was really great to get that done today. Now, I would love some advice, please. So if you are still watching my video at this point, you can see just to the right of the screen here is my backpack vacuum cleaner. That's a bit of a mouthful. And it is great if you need something for really strong suction, to do like a really full deep clean of your home, then this vacuum cleaner is just spot on. But I really need to also get a stick vacuum cleaner, I think. This backpack vacuum cleaner is bulky, it's just annoying to drag around. I very rarely actually put it on my back to vacuum. You've probably seen me dragging it around the floor, and it's just a pain when you just only need to do a quick zoom around with a vacuum cleaner. And I am just really realizing that I need a secondary stick vacuum cleaner, but I don't know what to get. And obviously, if you research stick vacuum cleaners, there's varying reviews of all the different ones. Some people are, 100% allegiance still to Dyson vacuums, and I've had Dyson vacuums before, but I've heard good things about Ryobi vacuums and Miele vacuums. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. But if any of you have a stick vacuum cleaner that is, not crazy expensive, then please let me know which brand you have and what you love about it. Bearing in mind, I have 3 animals and they shed a lot of hair. It would just be great to hear, what your views are on the different stick vacuums and which ones you would recommend, because I am at the point where I'm just sick of dragging this big pack vacuum around and just want something that's on the wall, is easy to grab for those kind of, midweek vacuums and tidy ups. Just something that's going to be quick and easy, that has a decent battery life and a good suction. So I would really, really appreciate your views on that. Let me know in the comments below, and hopefully in the next few months I will be able to make a decision on a new stick vacuum cleaner. I am now at the end of what feels like a fairly productive reset day here in my household. All of the main areas are cleaned and tidied and organised, and just feeling a lot more refreshed. And I was able to get my meal pre-made for this evening, which was really, really great. And obviously take those items up to the second-hand store, so it just feels a lot more uncluttered in my lounge sort of living area, which is wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really, really appreciate you watching my videos, and as I always say, please leave me a comment. I love to hear where you are commenting from in the world. Really, really appreciate that. Have a super blessed week, everybody, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye for now.